Assalamualaikum, in the name of Allah, most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, Code with SR. In this channel, you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and many more. So, welcome back. So today, in this video, you are going to learn HTML intro, HTML editors. So in this video, we will know where we are going to write HTML, and we are going to have two ways to do it, write HTML and to do HTML. First of all, I am going to create here an document in WordPad, and I am going to open my paint in one side like this, and I am going to tell you what are HTML editors. What are HTML editors? HTML editors are VS Code, Notepad. Okay, there are two types of editors. Number one is HTML VS Code, and number two is Notepad. So let me tell you what is Notepad and what is VS Code. Basically, these are a software, or you can set an app in which we can write our code. So first of all, I am going to show you a thing. Wait. Let me make like this. You will go to a software, and this will be in VS Code. I am going to show you how should VS Code look like. Like this, a Visual Studio Code editor look like. Means Visual Studio. VS Code full form is Visual Studio Code editor, and that look like this. And number two is Notepad, which look like this. Let me show you. So different between those are, first of all, the Visual Studio Code editor. We have to download this Visual Studio Code editor, but in this Notepad we don't have to download it. It comes with window. Okay, and in Visual Studio Code we have to download it. Difference between them is, first of all, this one, the big difference in both. And number two difference is Visual Studio is good because it have some option. When we write anything, the option will come that will refer us, like referral. If I like A, so it will be show me B, the next answer. Number two, but in Notepad they will not going to show us. So this is the major difference between them. And now I am going to tell you where you have to go to download Visual Studio Code. You have to download Visual Studio Code editor from here. This is the Visual Studio Code editor link. I'm going to open it in my page, https Visual Studio Code editor. There we go, VS Code, and go to the Visual Studio Code. There we go, and download for Windows. So it is able for all. Number one, these are two major different, and between VS Code and Notepad, and today we have learned the editors. Basically, I am going to show you how will it open and how it work. You can see here this is my HTML folder and there is a TXT folder. So first of all we are going to make here an folder. The folder name is going to be code, and then we are going to open it here with VS Code after downloading it. After installing it, we will open it. So if anybody is not comfortable in Visual Studio Code, so you can open the code by first of all opening here Notepad like this. That is Notepad and that's Visual Studio Code editor. Let me wait. Let me show you how will it look like. And how the word there we go. So here you can see here you can see this is Notepad and this is Visual Studio Code. In Notepad we got first of all the top bar, in which we got the menu and the Notepad icon and the pages. You can add many more and remove them. After that we got file, new tab, which is that, and then we got new windows, a new page, a whole new page, open. That there we go. It will be open like this, and save. It will be saved. Save as, it will be saved in a folder. Save all the files is going to be saved. Page setup and print. It will be print the page and setup them. And close tab. The tab will be closed. Close window. The whole window will be closed, and exit. The page will be closed. And we can write it like this. And if you have to write HTML code, you have to write it like here. So in Visual Studio Code, first of all the menu will look like this. At the top they are the same, but these are the main menu and the VS Code icon, and then it is I will tell you after that. And this is the search bar. These are more menu. The top one is the menu, and this one is the most important. At the left side you can see here an explorer, in which we will see the files, we will see the folders, and in it we are going to create new files and new folders. Under that there is the source controller, and then debug, and then extensions. We have to only use explorer and extensions, and then we got account and settings, and under that we got the go live, the other menus. To create a file, click this and name a file. So first of all we will now read how to name a file. To name a file, you have to write a name, file name, and then write .html. For example, index.html. Like this, you can write here index.html. The file will be created with HTML logo. And here if I write anything, there are many options. Many options. But in Notepad we does not get them. That's why. So I will show you an example. Like I am going to write a code here, and HTML is good. VS Code. in VS Code how it will. Let me show you the live. So now wait a second, let us wait. There we go. This is the code I have written in VS Code, and it is the live on it. And in Notepad, if I write the same, and right here Notepad, and then go to the file and save as, I will go to desktop, HTML folder, create a new folder, e.g. open it and then enter. Now I will open my HTML folder, e.g. the file is here. I will click it, show more option, rename it, and I will name it index.html like this. I will click it, double click on it, okay. Wait, I will rename it like this. Wait. Click here. Wait, sorry. I have to come here and save as it. Save as here like this. There we go. Yes, I have to. After naming it, we are going to come here in our folder like this and refresh it. Go back to the HTML and then wait. Is that in code? Yes. Let me save it again. I will save as. Okay. I will name it 1.html because we had written a name. There we go, 1.html. Click it. This is different between Notepad and VS Code. You can see the HTTPS. It is the local host. You will study in next. After studying more about HTML, you will know what is it. It is the localhost code. That's localhost link, but it is the desktop link. This is the major difference. It's a file and it's not the file, and it is the official, but it is the from the file. So in this video we learn many things what are editors. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my next time. So take care and Allah Hafiz.